In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're working in a multilingual team or simply need to switch to your native language for ease of use, knowing how to change the language settings in your software can significantly enhance your workflow and comfort. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, ensuring you gain a complete understanding of how to achieve this. We'll begin on the home page of your Adobe Acrobat Pro. First, you'll want to locate your profile icon, typically in the upper right corner of the interface. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu. From there, you should see the option labeled My Plan. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Adobe account. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area as it holds many crucial settings and options related to your subscription and preferences. Once on the My Plan page, the next step will involve finding the section dedicated to account and security. Click on this and you'll be presented with more detailed options. Here, you should select Account. It's worth noting that this section is where you handle most of your personal and security settings, so a quick glance through these options might also help you discover other features that could be beneficial. After selecting Account, scroll down until you find the language settings. It might be a little further down the page, so take your time to locate it. Once you've found the language section, you'll notice a button or link that says Change. Click on this and a list of available languages will appear. Now comes the part where you choose your desired language. Carefully go through the list and select your language of choice. Keep in mind that once you make the switch, the interface and all the functions will reflect in this newly selected language, so ensure it's one you are comfortable navigating. After you've made your selection, it's important to confirm your choice by clicking the Save button. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in your daily use of the software, making it much more intuitive and comfortable. If you ever need to change it back or switch to another language, you now know exactly where to go and what to do. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Enjoy working with Adobe Acrobat Pro in the language that suits you best.